Hi everyone, my name's Megan. I chose the topic of drug overdoses for this class. It's been really fun looking up all the different websites. The one I chose to do for this one is harmreduction.org. I really like everything they have to offer. One of my favorite tabs is their tab about our work. I find that it's very important if you support an organization that they showcase their work. That way you can see directly where all your work or your donations are going. Something they do is the syringe access implementation. Gives a little bit of information right here. They do training. They do syringe access and exchange assessment. That may not sound like a good idea to some, but it can actually be really helpful in reducing the amount of diseases that get passed on through syringes. So it's HIV harm reduction right there. So they do a lot of trainings. They focus on like the issues, like what they focus on. They want to focus on overdose prevention. They want to focus on lowering the rates of hepatitis C, drug users. They have ways to get involved. Like all organizations, you can donate, but I really like how you can volunteer and you can write and you can just spread the word. It's cool that they're located in California. It's pretty close to home for us, right? So if anybody is interested, this is a great website to check out. And I hope you guys have a great day.